One of the best-known stories in the life of David is the story of his sin with Bathsheba. After his adultery, he did everything he could to cover it up, ultimately even resorting to murder. And for a while, it seemed to work. But of course it didn't, because God is never fooled, and God will always call us into account for our sinful decisions. But what's amazing about David's story is how God confronted David. God sent his prophet Nathan, but not to blast David with a message of accusation and condemnation as we might expect. Nathan confronted David with a story about a rich man stealing a poor man's lamb, a story that was designed to slip through his defenses and to speak to his heart. He did this because God's purpose was not to expose David in order to condemn him for his sin, but it was to convict him of his sin with the goal of leading him to repentance, grace, and restoration. And this is still God's desire in our lives. We will never be able to hide our sinful decisions from God. In time, He will always expose our sin, but not with the purpose of condemning us. He exposes our sin to reveal our need and to drive us to repentance, where we will find His grace and restoration. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about what we talked about, Jesus Christ, or church, feel free to reach out to us on Facebook, Instagram, or by email. The links are in the description.